Hello guys, I'm Uday Kumar. In this video, we're going to see about how to create a single linked list and implement the following function in the list created. The aim is to create insert data at the front of the list and insert the data at the rear of the list and insert that data after the given data in the list and delete the data from the list and search data from the list and display the content all the content of the data content of the list. First of all, we're going to create a class function and class name as node, and we are going to declare the node. So we're using a constructor function like def init of self data, self dot item equal to data, and self dot next equal to data. After we declare the node function, we are going to create a linked list. So that we're using a class linked list and def init of self dot head equal to none. After this, we're going to insert a front element in the node. So I'll be using a def insert front of self comma data, and new node equal to node of data, and new node dot next equal to self dot head, and self dot head equal to new node. After creating a insert front element, we're going to create a rear element of the node. So I'll be using a def insert rear of self comma data. New node equal to node of data. If self dot head is none, self dot head equal to new node and then return, and n equal to self dot head. While n dot next is not none, n equal to n dot next, n dot next equal to new node. After creating an front and rear, we're going to insert a element. After the we're going to insert after the item uh, in the node. So that we're using a def insert after item of self comma x comma data, and n equal to self dot head, and then while n is not none, if n dot item equal to x, then break, then n equal to n dot next. If n is none, print item not in the list. Else new node equal to node of data, new node dot next equal to n dot next, and n dot next equal to new node. After the inserting the front and rear, we're going to delete the element in the node. So we'll be using def delete of self comma x. If self dot head is none, print the list has no element to print list has no element to delete. Then return. If self dot head dot in item equal to x, self dot head equal to head dot next, then return n equal to self dot head. While n dot next equal is not none, if n dot next dot item equal to x, then break, then n equal to n dot next. If n dot next is none, print item not found in the list. Else n dot next equal to n dot next dot next. After the element adding in the front and rear and deleting, we're going to search the element so that we're using a def search item of self comma x. Use self dot head equal to none, print list as no element, else n equal to self dot head and count equal to 1. While n is not none, count will increase by 1. If n dot next equal to x, print data and x found at position count minus 1, then break, then n equal to n dot next. If count equal to 0, then print value x and not found. And after the inserting the front rear and searching the element and deleting the element in the node, we're going to display all the element in the node. So that using a def display of self, and t equal to self dot head, and while t not equal to none, print t or t dot item end equal to arrow mark symbol, then t equal to t dot next, then print none. After the given condition, we're going to do a menu driven program. So that we're using a choices like first choice is to insert data at front, and second choice is insert data at rear, and third choice is insert data at required position, and fourth choice is delete data, and fifth choice is search, and sixth choice is display, and seventh choice is exit. If ch equal to 1, then you will get a user input like enter the data to be added at the front. If ch equal to 2, then we get a input like enter data to be added at the end. And then if ch equal to 3, then we get a input like enter data, after which data to be added. After giving number which the data to be added, we're going to enter the data to be added. And next we're going to give a ch equal to 4. Yeah, we getting user input like enter the data to be deleted, and the element will be deleted. Then we going ch equal to 5. Then we get a user input like enter the data to be searched. Then you say ch equal to 6. Then the data will be display after the inserting a front element and rear element. Then else break. Now we can check the run the code. I was asking enter the choice. I'm going to give enter choices 1. It is asking the enter data to be added at front. I'm going to give 10. Then it's asking enter the choice. I'm going to give 2. It's asking enter the data to be added at the end. I'm going to give 20. It's asking enter the choice. I'm going to display the element after adding front and rear. So that giving choices 6. Now it's displaying a 10, 20 and none. Now we're going to insert the data at record position. So they're giving a choices 3. Now it's asking the enter data after which the data to be added. So they're giving it 10. I was asking enter the data to be added. I'm going to give 15. I'm going to display the element in the node. So that I'm giving a choices 6. Now it's showing 10, 15 and 20, and then I'm going to search the element which the I'm going to search the element in the which position. So that I'm giving a option as 5. I'm going to enter data to be searched. So I'm giving 15. The data 15 found at position 2. Now I'm going to delete the data. So that I'm giving the choices 4. It is asking to enter data to be deleted. I'm going to give 20. Now I'm going to display after deleting 20. So I'm giving a choices 6. Now it's showing 10, 15 and then I'm going to exit the code. So that I'm giving 7 choices 7. Then code is exit. That's all guys. Thank you.